Now the first example is here. In the given parallelogram BEST, find the values of x, y and z they are giving. See here, BEST is one parallelogram. Okay, in that few angles are unknown. This is the unknown angle x, this is the unknown angle y and this is z. These angles should be found by using the properties of parallelogram. Okay, by using the properties of parallelogram you have to find these angles. How to find by having one angle? Let us discuss. Now for B the opposite angle is x, isn't it? For B, which is the opposite angle? S will be. What is the measure of S? X. So we can write angle S is equal to angle B because S is opposite to B. So what is the measure of B? 100. So X will be 100. On what property we wrote? Opposite angle property we wrote. Getting? Now again observe here, it is a straight line, it is a transversal. This angle and this angle are corresponding angles. What type of angles, children? Corresponding angles. So we already know that when a parallel line is intersected by a transversal, corresponding angles are equal. That's why here, so x will be equal to y. Already we got x. What is x? 100. So y is also 100. Now what is left? Z is left. What is the thing we can apply? See here. It is a straight line. On this it is standing. That time these two angles will become a linear pairs. That's why you can take it as an x plus y is equal to 180 degree, which is a linear pair. Z we are not doing. But we know y is how much? 100, substitute 100 is equal to 180. Now we need z, transfer 100 to the RHS part. So 180 minus 100, that is 80 degree. So z will be equal to what? 80 degree. Clear, children? See, by using the angle property, opposite angles are equal. Then linear pair, we have found the remaining angles, isn't it? Now let us move to the one more problem of this type only. So what is the problem means, in a parallelogram RING, if M of angle R, one angle they have given, children, find all other angles. So you have to find I, you have to find M, you have to find G. All the angles you have to find. Now how to find by having one angle? There are two properties we are implementing. One is opposite angles are equal and one more is adjacent angles are supplementary. By using these two concepts we are solving this problem, children. First given thing you write down, R they have given, M of R is equal to 70 degree. So for R, which is the opposite angle, N is the opposite angle, therefore M of N will be equal to 70 degree. Now we got one angle. Next, so why they are equal? Because they are opposite angles of a parallelogram. Next, we will come for an adjacent angles. Which are adjacent angle? R and I are adjacent angles. So M of R plus M of I already said while saying the properties, adjacent angles are supplementary. Supplementary means sum of the angles will be equal to 180 degree. That concept I have taken here. Okay. So substitute the values we are having. So M of R we are having how much? 70 degree. M of I we are not knowing, which is equal to 180 degree. Now transfer 70 to the RHS part. So it is 180 minus 70. 80 minus 70 is 10, 110 you will be getting. Now again for M of I, this is I, children. For M of I, which is the opposite angle? G is the opposite angle. That's why M of I will be equal to M of G, which is 110 degree. On what basis? So opposite angles are equal. On that basis we can clarify this. Okay. Now let us move to the few more problems. The next problem is this one, children. It is related to sides. So what is the question? Let us understand here. In the figure, HELP is a parallelogram they are saying. Given that OE they have given, this length they have given 4 centimeter and HL is 5 more than PE they are saying, that is diagonals. They are comparing the diagonals. One diagonal is 5 more than the other they are saying. But here we are knowing a part of one diagonal. First let us find out this diagonal, then we can go for this. Okay children. So OE is 4 they have given. Then if OE is 4, even OP is also 4 because it is a diagonal, and we already said that diagonals bisects each other. They divides into 2 equal parts I said. If it is 4, even it is also 4. That's why OE is equal to OP is equal to 4 we got. Now we need PE because HL is compared with PE. PE will be what? This plus this, isn't it? OE plus OP. What is OE? 4. What is OP? 4. So 4 plus 4, 8 centimeter you will be getting. Now we need HL, isn't it? So given HL is 5 more than PE. That's why HL is equal to AP is 8 plus 5. 5 more than P means 8 plus 5. That is 8 plus 5 is how much? 13. Now what we had to find, that you just check it out. OH you had to find. OH is a part of the HL. Okay, isn't it? That's why OH will be half of HL. So half of 13 it will be, that is 6.5 centimeter. Okay children. This is the way you can find the sides and diagonals also. Now let us move to the exercise now. Exercise problems few I will solve. Remaining you have to solve children. In the first one is given a parallelogram ABCD. Complete each statement along with the definition or a property used they are saying. So this is the picture. So they have given certain things and they have left the blanks. You have to fill the blanks children. So here first they have given AD will be equal to dash they have given. So what is the property of a parallelogram? Opposite sides are equal. Now for AD, which is the opposite side? BC is the opposite side. So here AD will be equal to what? BC. First fill up over. Now in the same way, DCB they are giving. Which angle? This angle. That will be equal to what? Equals they are given. So opposite angles are also equal. That property we have learned. For DCB, which is the opposite angle? BAD will be the opposite angle. See, BAD, this angle. Okay. So second one we have filled. Now next, OC equals they have given. So OC will be equal to what? OA. Why? Why it is so? Because diagonals bisects. This will be equal to this. For that reason. Okay. And the last fill up is M of DAB. DAB and M of CDA they have given. This angle and this angle. So what type of angles you check it out? They are on the same line. 2 angles are formed. Then we call such angles as adjacent angles. And already we said that the sum of adjacent angles is supplementary. Supplementary means 180 degree. Okay. So this is the way you can implement the properties and you can solve the problems. Okay children. Now further we will continue. So here is the next problem. Consider the following parallelogram. Find the values of unknown x, y, z. Already we have solved one problem like that. Let us go with the one more because diagram is different. See here children. Whenever angle will be in this manner, what you can see that as? Right angle. And observe these two angles are vertically opposite angles. Into mark. Whenever you will be getting this and this are called as a vertically opposite, and this and this are called as a vertically opposite. So here x is equal to, because it is 90, even x is equal to 90 degree. By what reason? Vertically opposite angles. Now go with this triangle, children. It is one triangle, isn't it? So here we know x, we know this angle. Now we can find one more angle. By which property? Angle sum property of a triangle. So angle x plus angle y plus 30 degree will be equal to what? 180 degree. Substitute the values. What is x? 90 degree. Y we are not knowing, keep as it is. 30 is equal to 180. Now y will be sent 90 plus 30, 120 to the RHS part. So it is 180 minus 120, which is 60 degree. Isn't it? We got x, we got y. Now what is left? Z is left. How to find z? Just here only check it out. So in this way, z shape. This here y, this here z. What type of angles they are? They are alternate angles. What type of angles? Alternate angles. Angle y will be equal to angle z, which is 60 degree due to alternate angles. Okay. Now, in that the second problem, second figure we will discuss. It is a picture, children. This angle they have given. This is x, this is y, and this is 112. Now just observe the figure. This angle 112 they have given means y is also 112. Why? Because they are opposite angles, isn't it? So y will be 112. That is from the opposite angle concept. Now we will go with this triangle. Because here this angle is known, this angle is known. Just you have to find out again. Angle sum property, 40 plus y plus x is equal to 180 by angle sum property of a triangle. Now substitute 40 as it is, y we got as 112, x as it is equal to 180. Add it up. If you add it, 2 plus 0 2, 1 plus 4 5, 1 as it is, plus x is equal to 180. So x is equal to, transfer 152 to the RHS part. So 180 minus 152, that is 28 degree. Getting? And again here x will be equal to z. Z is here, my children. Because they are alternate angles, therefore z value will be 28 degree. Okay. Now let us move to the one more problem. Find x and y in the given figure they are saying. So sides they have given. So already from the property of parallelogram, what we can say? Opposite sides are equal, you are saying. That's why SN will be equal to G, isn't it? So what is SN measure? 19. What is GU measure? 3x minus 2. Transfer minus 2 to this side. That time it becomes 19 plus 2 is equal to 3x. 19 plus 2 is what? 21. X is required means 21 by 3. 3 ones are 3 sevens are. So we will be getting 7. Similarly, this side should take SG will be equal to NU. SG will be equal to NU. What is SG? 2Z. What is NU? 16. Substitute it and resolve it. So Z is equal to 16. Transferring 16 by 2. 2 ones are 2 eights are. Getting, children? So like this you solve some more problems. So remaining problems we will discuss in the next class.